Are you also stuck in an annoying cycle with your pimples and pimple marks? I was too until I found this. Introducing the Himalaya Purifying Neem Serum designed to target both pimple and pimple marks. This serum combines the best of nature and science, featuring 2% natural salicylic acid, neem and cica, clinically proven to reduce pimple and pimple marks in just 7 days. It made with 98% natural origin ingredient ensuring gentle pimple care. So ladies, it's time to say yes to gentle pimple care with Himalaya Purifying Neem Serum. Go grab your now from any instant delivery app.